I'm done, Jenna. I'm done with you, with this family. I'm done with everything about it. I just need more fun, more excitement. Life is way too short, and I need to feel alive again.
You can't just leave. What about Katie? What's gonna happen to her?
Katie will be fine. She has you. I'm out of here.
Then what about our company? We started it together. What, are you just gonna walk out on that too?
Our company? Come on, Jenna, get real, please. You know as well as I do that I'm the only one that makes this company work. He just wrote my coattail.
Is that true? The whole company is my idea.
Maybe so, but I'm the one who made it a success. In fact, my lawyers drew up these documents for you.
What is this? You're cutting me out of my own business? You can't do that.
Read the fine print. It's already done, okay? So unless you want to fight that really lengthy and expensive legal battle, which you will end up losing anyway, I wouldn't do it. Don't fight this.
I'm an important part of this company. Without me...
Without you what, Jenna? I'm the only one that makes this company work.
Daddy, Mommy, what's going on?
Daddy's leaving.
When are you coming back?
I'm not, sweetie. Sorry.
Did Daddy leave because of me?
Oh no, baby. It's not your fault, I promise. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go talk some sense to him, okay? Don't worry. Mike, I really think that we should work on this.
Jenna, how did you get in here? I thought I told you to change the locks on the front door.
I was working on it when he pulled me in here, but I'll go work on that now.
Here I was, beating myself up, thinking that this was somehow my fault. All this time, you were cheating on me with our secretary.
First of all, she's my secretary, okay? Second of all, I don't even know what you're doing here anyway. You're no longer in the company.
I was here trying to talk some sense into you. Your daughter needs her father.
Okay, let's take care of that. These are the divorce papers. My attorney drafted them this morning.
You are really gonna throw away your family for some fun? You know what? Fine. I'll sign anything
Good.
that gets me away from you the fastest. But don't even think about crawling back to me. Realize the massive mistake you made.
Crawling back to you? Not a chance, sweetheart. The only mistake I've ever made was marrying you in the first place.
Jenna storms out of the office and Mike is finally free to be with his new girlfriend.
Right.
Over the next several months, Mike spends more and more money on his new girlfriend. But the more time and money he spent on Laura, the less time and effort he spent on his company. It wasn't long before his company began to struggle. Clients left in droves because Mike was unable or unwilling to put in the time and effort Jenna had when she was his partner. With his bank accounts nearly depleted, Mike was no longer able to spoil Laura with the expensive gifts, trips, and nights out she had become accustomed to. And once his money ran out, so too did Laura. Almost out of money, Mike had no choice but to seek outside investors to rescue his company.
You are hemorrhaging money, Mike. The only way to save the business is to bring in an investor. The bank insists.
Well, what if?
There is no what if. You have run the company into the ground. I called in a favor, and I did find an investor who might be willing to come on as a partner and bail you out.
Okay, whatever it takes, I'm in.
Mary, would you send the investor in, please?
Jenna?
You two know each other.
We used to be married.
You're an investor? But how?
When you left me, it nearly broke me. But then I remembered what I used to say to you. No matter how hard life knocks us down, you can always find the strength to get back up. So I got back up and I got to work, started my own company. And it turned out that I'm pretty good at being a CEO. While your business has collapsed, has thrived.
So you just came here to rub it in, basically.
No,
Great. So you're going to invest? We're going to be partners again? 50-50?
50-50. Well, just last year, you made it clear that I had nothing to do with this company's success.
Oh, come on, honey. You know that I didn't mean that. You're brilliant. The company couldn't work without you. And besides, we could perhaps give it another shot. Now you even said it yourself. Katie needs her father.
Almost done in here, honey? Katie's worried about missing the previews.
Honey?
I got remarried to a wonderful man. Tell Katie I'll be right there. Do you remember what I told you the last time we spoke? No. I said, don't come crawling back to me. I'll happily invest in this company,
Okay, great.
but not with Mike as the CEO.
Wait, I couldn't go for that.
You have got yourself a deal.
Thank you.
How could you do this to me, Jenna?
Oh, Mike, you did this to yourself.